What if there was an unmanned aerial vehicle that could fly for extended periods of time, strike with pinpoint accuracy, and operate autonomously, making it an enigmatic marvel on the battlefield? Meet the Bayraktar TB-2, the best-kept secret of AI kamikaze drones. Developed by the Turkish company Bayraktar Sanayi ve Ticaret, and largely credited to the visionary mind of Seljuk Bayraktar, the medium-altitude, long-endurance male drone has emerged as a game-changer in modern warfare. With its ability to execute remotely controlled or autonomous missions, the Bayraktar TB-2 has earned global recognition for its prowess and has found its way into the arsenals of numerous nations. Let's delve into the astounding capabilities and the fascinating journey of this cutting-edge AI super drone. As the Bayraktar TB-2 took to the skies for its maiden flight in August 2014, little did the world know that it was witnessing the birth of a technological marvel that would soon change the landscape of warfare. Developed at the request of the Presidency of Defense Industries, the TB-2 marked a significant advancement from its predecessor, the Bayraktar Calderon, with enhanced combat capabilities and increased endurance. With its blended winged body design and inverted V-tail structure, the Bayraktar TB-2 boasts a unique aerodynamic profile, propelled by a variable pitch two-blade propeller in pusher configuration. This drone can stay aloft for extended periods of time, conducting surveillance and executing missions with exceptional efficiency. Cut to a ground control system where an aircrew monitors and controls the TB-2, the cross-redundant command and control systems ensure seamless communication between the pilot, payload operator, and mission commander. This enables them to control, command, and monitor the drone in real time, making the Bayraktar TB-2 a formidable force on the battlefield. The drone's combat prowess comes to life as a video showcasing a test firing of a missile from the Bayraktar TB-2 is played. Collaborating with Rocket Sun, the TB-2 successfully demonstrated its ability to engage targets with precision and accuracy. It's a remarkable display of technology and innovation. However, the journey to create this AI super drone was not without its challenges. In the face of a US ban on exports and armed unmanned aircraft to Turkey due to concerns over their potential use against PKK groups, Bayraktar had to navigate a complex path to develop the TB-2 with domestically manufactured components and technologies. From engine replacements to advanced bomb racks, Bayraktar rose to the occasion and created its own cutting-edge alternatives. The international stage soon witnessed the Bayraktar TB-2 in action as various nations acquired the drone for their own defense needs. From Turkey's extensive use in strikes against PKK and YPG targets to Azerbaijan's deployment during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, the TB-2 proved its worth on the battlefield time and time again. However, with its growing reputation, the TB-2 also faced scrutiny and challenges on the export front. A controversy erupted when it was revealed that the UK Hornet micro-munitions bomb pack by EDO MBM Technology Limited played a role in arming the drone. Nonetheless, Bayraktar's chief technical officer, Seljuk Bayraktar, clarified that they had designed and manufactured a more advanced and cost-effective bomb rack themselves. The Bayraktar TB-2 continued to evolve, utilizing technology from various sources to enhance its capabilities further. From the Canadian Westcam MX-15D system to locally manufactured alternatives, the drone adapted and overcame any hurdles that came its way. As the Bayraktar TB-2 gained prominence, its global network of operators expanded rapidly. Nations across continents sought to harness the drone's capabilities to bolster their military prowess. The Bayraktar TB-2's performance in various conflicts has been remarkable, and its ability to conduct surveillance and engage targets autonomously is an asset that cannot be overlooked. Its precision strikes and extended endurance make it a formidable force on the battlefield. The drone has proven itself in some of the most challenging situations, further solidifying its reputation as the best-kept secret of AI kamikaze drones. The Bayraktar TB-2's versatility and adaptability adaptability were further tested in military drills and training exercises. Its ability to seamlessly integrate into various combat scenarios and execute missions with unwavering accuracy earned it a reputation of being a game changer. News clips reporting on the successful missions carried out by the Bayraktar TB-2 in different conflict zones further fueled its global recognition. From anti-terrorism operations to border security and intelligence gathering, the drone's impact extended beyond the battlefield, cementing its status as one of the world's most sought-after UAVs. Cutting back to the present, the Bayraktar TB-2 has earned its place as a revolutionary AI kamikaze drone, wielding the power of artificial intelligence and autonomous flight operations. It's a secret no more. This remarkable creation continues to shape the future of aerial warfare, all while remaining one of the best-kept secrets in the world of AI drones.